Picture this, cinematic views, smooth and bright. Not from a bulky drone, but one feather light. It fits in your bag, a creator's delight. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, pure flight inside. For travelers, beginners, pros near and far. Stick around, this drone's a rising star. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Shakalaka Show. In today's video, we're diving into the Mini 4 Pro. If you love drones or are just intrigued, this little powerhouse will leave you intrigued. Let's break it down, the good, the great, and save the best for a thrilling late. Let's talk design. The DJI Mini 4 Pro stays true to the Mini series ultra compact and lightweight form factor, weighing in at just under 249 grams. That means you can fly it in most countries without needing additional registration. How convenient is that? The build is sturdy, with foldable arms and a clean aerodynamic design that's perfect for portability. Now let's get technical. The Mini 4 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, larger than what you'll find in most drones this size. The sensor size makes a huge difference in low light condition and dynamic range, giving you more detail in your shot. It is capable of capturing 4K HDR video at 60 FPS and 48 megapixel stills. The clarity, the colors, it's like carrying a mini Hollywood rig in your pocket. When it comes to flying, the Mini 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. It boasts a maximum flight time of around 34 minutes on a single charge, which is incredible for its size. Plus, with the DJI's advanced O4 transmission system, you can get a range of up to 20 kilometers. Yes, 20 kilometers. That means you can explore further and capture more without worrying about losing connection. Safety first, right? The Mini 4 Pro is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, a first for the Mini series. Whether you are flying forward, backward, or sideways, the drone detects obstacles and adjusts its path accordingly. Pair this with DJI's signature stability features, and you've got buttery smooth footage and even in windy conditions. This drone isn't just about flying, it's about storytelling. The Mini 4 Pro comes loaded with intelligent flight modes like Master Shots, Focus Track, and Waypoint mode. Want cinematic shots that follow you while you hike or cycle? Done. Need a pre-programmed flight path or a dramatic reveal? Easy. It's like having your own aerial film crew. Now is a feature you might overlook, the improved video transmission system. The Mini 4 Pro streams a live 1080p feed with ultra-low latency to your controller, giving you real-time feedback and control over your shot. And with the new RCN2 controller, the experience is seamless and intuitive. Alright, now we've covered the basics, the spec text, and some of the standout features. Now, let's talk about what really makes the DJI Mini 4 Pro worth every penny. First up, vertical shooting. The Mini 4 Pro lets you capture vertical videos in full 4K, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No cropping, no compromises, just high-quality vertical shooting straight from the drone. Next, let's talk about night mode. The Mini 4 Pro's larger sensor and advanced image processing mean you can capture jaw-dropping night shots, cityscapes, starry skies, low-light landscapes. This drone handles it like a pro. And finally, the price to performance ratio. For everything this drone offers, 4K HDR, obstacle avoidance, intelligent flight modes, it is priced incredibly competitively. You are getting features that were once exclusive to much larger, more expensive drones. That's the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a drone that punches well above its weight class. Thank you so much for watching Tech Shakalaka today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my next diving into the world of tech. Now stay creative and keep exploring the skies. I'm out.